Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if the Etsy app keeps crashing, freezing or closing unexpectedly, it can prevent you from managing orders, messaging buyers or browsing products. Fortunately, most crashes are caused by updates or device issues that are easy to fix. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the app keeps crashing problem on Etsy in 2026 quickly and safely. So first thing first, restart the Etsy app. So temporary glitches are common. So the fix is close Etsy app completely, remove it from recent apps, and reopen Etsy. So test app again. Quick restart solves many crashes. Okay. You can also update the Etsy app. So outdated versions are the number one cause. So updates, open the app store, okay, and search Etsy and then tap updates if it's available, okay, and then restart app after updating. You can also restart your phone as a whole, so system memory issues can crash apps. So turn off or turn phone off, wait 30 seconds and then turn device back on and then open Etsy again. So this clears temporary system conflicts. You can also free up device storage. So low storage leads to instability. So check at least 2 to 3 GB free space. Delete if needed, like old videos, pictures, and used apps, downloads, okay, and retry Etsy app. Okay, you can also check internet connection. Okay, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart router, and you can avoid public Wi-Fi. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.